if Ireland is your dream destination, then this is the time for you to get ready to move to Ireland. Ireland has opened up application portal for both EU and non-EU nationals. Whether you are a resident in an EU country or you are a citizen of any country of the world, then you are eligible to take advantage of this opportunity to work, live and stay in Ireland permanently, or as long as you wish. So as you can see it boldly on the screen, if you are a non-EU national and have work experience, Ireland is hosting a massive online recruitment event whereby applicants can get to meet with different employers in Ireland that are willing to hire you. So in this video, I'm going to take you through the eligibility criteria and how to apply. So guys, you don't want to jump right on the site to apply because there are different application process for people in the non-EU and people in the EU country. So you just don't want to jump right on to apply just anyhow. So we are going to take the non-EU country first because I know that's where most of my subscribers are from. So guys, before we dive right in, please hit the subscribe button if you haven't joined this family and turn on your bell notification so that whenever I post a video, you would be notified. And for my returning subscribers, you guys are so amazing. Thank you. Please do well to like this video, share with your friends and family as usual, and without further ado, let's dive right in. So here is what the site looks like. So Ireland is having an online recruitment event on the 8th of April 2025. That's going to happen in few days time, so you just have to act fast. You have few days ahead to get things done, guys. So they are going to be recruiting, and this recruitment event is for people in the healthcare sector, whether you're a nurse, healthcare assistant, you can take care of the elderly, take care of the children. They are hiring domestic assistants like caregiver. You are needed in Ireland. So this is all about this event. Would you like to work in healthcare in Ireland? Many private nursing home and home care providers around Ireland are recruiting healthcare assistants and nurses. So you can see the roles available at this event are care of the elderly in private nursing homes, cares of the elderly in their homes, care of adults and children with mental health and intellectual disabilities, and domestic assistance. So if you are interested in any of these roles, do you know that some healthcare assistant roles require qualification, but many do not, and we provide full training. So what it means that you can find some employers that would not require you to present any qualification. They are going to train you on how you can get along with the people you are taking care of and all of that. So you don't have to worry about having the QQI level 5 equivalent. So, and candidates must be EU nationals or eligible to work in Ireland. Now let me explain that. That's what I said at the beginning of this video, that you know, they are recruiting both EU and non-EU applicants. So if you are from the EU, you are the only ones that can attend the recruitment event, because if you are from a non-EU, you will not be able to register to attend the event. But what you would need to do, can you see it right down? If you are a non-EU national and have work experience in the healthcare sector, please contact us by email. So what you're going to be doing if you're from the non-EU country is that you're going to be sending an email to this email address. The email is just going to be like a cover letter, like you're interested, you are an international candidate. Let the subject carry international applicant. Then you can put in bracket healthcare assistant or the role you want to apply for, and ensure to attach your CV, your resume, to the email. Now the content of the email is just telling them you're an international candidate from so country. These are your qualifications. You are interested to take up this particular role in Ireland. You are willing to move and all of that. So you're going to sell yourself out to them. You're going to ensure that your CV is in Europass format, and you're also going to be needing your high health, at least B1. So you're going to attach your CV and you're going to send an email to this email address. That's the first step you're going to take. So now for the non-EU, once you are done sending your resume to this email address, the second thing you want to do is to come right up here. Let me show you. They said this is for EU and EFTA only. So what it means is that for the recruitment event, only people from the EU countries and EFTA can attend the online event. Now, the second thing you want to do after you must have sent them an email as an international applicant, you want to come right here and look at those jobs that are available here and apply to any of these jobs that best suit your qualification and experience. Because these are the list of job openings, these employers would be attending the recruitment event. So it's very advisable for you to have sent your application to these employers prior to the recruitment event, because a lot of non-EU citizens would not be able to attend the event. So it is advisable for you to send your applications to these employers. Let them be able to see it, view it, so that they can make their decisions at the end of the event. Now, these are the available openings: healthcare workers, home care assistants, staff nursing, complex care, healthcare assistants, healthcare assistant, complex care, care assistant. So if you're a caregiver, you know how to take care of children, a long list of it. So basically, if you're a nurse, a healthcare assistant, a caregiver, please check these available openings, apply for any of these jobs that matches your qualification and experience. And some of them would not even require you to have qualifications. They would train you. So just get in touch with the employer, send your CV to these employers, apply to these jobs. Don't wait till 8th of April when the recruitment event will hold. Send it as soon as today. So now for the EU applicants, you need to register for the event, and this is how you're going to register. Just come right up here and click on register for this event. You're going to have to create an account. So tell us who you are, create a free account now. So if you're a job seeker, you just click on create account here. So you're going to fill in your surname, your email, your password, confirm your password. So you're going to come down here and click on healthcare recruitment in Ireland. You're going to tick healthcare recruitment and you're going to tick online. So you're going to fill all your details, your first name, your last name. You're going to have to upload your picture, your gender, country of residence, nationality, your language skill, your age group, your education field, your skills, and if you have an online profile, it's not compulsory, that's your social media. Then your total work experience duration. They want to know how many years of experience you have. Then your area of expertise, your occupation. Then you are going to have to upload your CV. And you're going to have to attest that all the information you have given are actually accurate. So after that, you're going to click on create account and await them to reach out to you once they find your application suitable. So but for the EFTA and the EU citizens, you can go ahead to apply for this event. Just make sure you fill in your details, attach your CV, and check the boxes and create an account, and then you will be scheduled to attend the recruitment event. Guys, whether you're from the EU countries or the non-EU countries, I wish every one of you the best of luck.